guys, welcome back. This is Justin from the Tutoring Solutions. Working number 17 here, it says in the standard XY coordinate plane, what is the midpoint of the line segment that has endpoints -6, 9, and 2, 5? Go ahead and pause the video. All right, so what is the midpoint? So we're looking for the middle. It's really straightforward. If you have 2 points and you want to know the middle, you got to realize that if you have 2 different X numbers, the middle is going to be the average, okay, of those 2 X numbers. And then if you have 2 different Y numbers, the middle will be the average of those 2 Y numbers. So it's as easy as just taking your 2 X numbers and averaging them together. Now, there is a formula that goes along with this, but really, it's as simple as just averaging your 2 X's and averaging your 2 Y's. Pretty easy, actually. So you either memorize the formula or you just think of it as averages. A lot of times I'll have students write average of X's, comma, average of Y's. And I'll have them memorize that formula. Because I mean, they know how to do the average. They know how to add 2 numbers, divide by 2. That makes sense to them. And this formula gets all confusing when you look at the distance formula and what's the other one? The slope formula and the Y, slope intercept form of a linear function, all those things, they start getting like kind of messy. So maybe it's just easier to remember it as words. Average of X is average of Y's. So take your 2 X numbers and add them together. Now remember, this is a 2 and we're going to add it to a -6. So that's going to be really like 2 minus 6, which is -4. Okay, we're going to divide that by 2 and get -2. That is my X coordinate of my midpoint. Now, if I look at my answer choices right now, I just did a quick glance and I noticed that the only one with a -2 in the X coordinate is B. So it's B. I don't have to go any further, right? When you get to some sort of like middle and you're like, you have one of the answered parts, maybe take a look and cross out some answers that don't work. You know what I mean? Just to check though, we'll add our 2 Y numbers together. So 9 and 5 divided by 2, that's going to be 14 cut in half, which is 7. And again, that's the only one with the 7 in the Y value. So either way you look at it, pretty straightforward. If you really don't like this, you could draw out a picture. I don't know, I think it's too easy not to just work it. But -6, 9 is here, and then 2, 5 is here. So again, all we're saying is the middle, and the middle is here, halfway between, but it's just the average of the X's and average of the Y's. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website at tutoring-solutions if you got any questions or comments. Give us a shout anytime. We're glad to help. And thanks again.